everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make homemade pizza. From start, the dough of the pizza base and then the tomato sauce and the toppings. This tomato base and the tomato sauce is the one which is very important. Once you get that right, the toppings you can switch up to anything like vegetarian. You can add capsicum, mushrooms, pineapple, onion, garlic or any other vegetable of your choice. So let's get started with the pizza base and the tomato sauce, and then you can go on with that. And once you know how to make this step by step, it's very easy to follow and you will not order a delivery again. The ingredients for the pizza base will be, I've taken bread flour 2 cups I've taken, and then yeast I've taken 1.5 teaspoon yeast, which I'll be adding in here, and 2 teaspoon of sugar, and then 1 teaspoon of salt, and then I've taken olive oil. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons. Olive oil, 2 cups of flour, 1.5 teaspoon of yeast, dry instant yeast, 1 teaspoon of salt and 2 teaspoon of sugar with 2 tablespoon of olive oil. So I mix the ingredients first, and I'm going to add the water, which is 1 cup. To add the water to it. One cup of water, and let the yeast rise. So see, I have made it into a dough. So I'm going to let it rest for about 15 minutes. Cover it and let it rest. And the dough is starting to rise. So what I'm going to do is just make sure. Okay, I'm going to put in the same bowl to rise for another 1 hour. Okay, I'm adding about 3 tablespoons of olive oil. It's always better to add olive oil for this pizza and pasta recipes. Minced garlic, onion, both also have to be minced. It's an option for me for add some about a teaspoon of any chili powder, so that because I like my pizza to be a bit spicy. So I just add a little bit of chili powder together with cayenne powder. Now I will be adding the tomato. Simmer for a while. Cover it and let it simmer for a while. About 2 tablespoons. I add the canned tomato puree, because it gives a thickness to the tomatoes I have added just now. And then I am adding cayenne powder, about half teaspoon. Okay, and then basil powder, also about half teaspoon. Oregano, half teaspoon as well. See, it's all combining well. So I'm going to use this and give a quick mash the tomatoes to a paste. So once it's cooled, this sauce you have to prepare early and keep. You can also make when there's plenty of tomatoes, quickly cut it up and then make it into this sauce. You can always use it for pasta base also. Mash it up. You don't have to use a blender, just hand mash it. See, tomato. So it's ready. I'm going to turn off the stove. Sauce for the pizza is ready. This sauce, this amount is enough for 2 pizzas. So the dough is well risen. So I'm going to, this is for 2 pizzas. So I'm going to divide into. Cut it into. Okay. So I'm going to use the one part. Just have to pull it. And then you have to pull it and then fix it to the plate. But oil the plate first. And then the edges you just press it in like. Add a teaspoon of olive oil in each plate and spread it evenly. Use the fork and prick in so flour doesn't rise while baking. Spread the tomato sauce evenly in both the plates. I've set the oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Okay, so when I put the tomato paste, I'm setting the oven to heat up. The vegetarian pizza, so I've already put the tomato base. Now I'll be adding mushrooms, green capsicum, yellow capsicum, onion in strips like this, and garlic in strips also like this, and then pineapple I've cut. I've cut the pineapple and boiled it in sugar syrup, or you can use canned pineapple, just chop it up. And then chili flakes, this dry roasted chili, and then I put in the blender and made it into powder, and cheese. So I'll be using this as topping. It's actually vegetarian pizza. So I'm spreading some cheese. A layer of cheese. Okay. There you go. Then I'll be adding the onion. Because onion gives a very nice taste. And then the garlic. Just throw it in as you wish. Here you go, capsicum, some mushrooms. Capsicum, rest of the capsicum. Okay, yellow capsicum. Okay, now the pineapple. The rest of the onion all ready now. So the first one is going to go into the oven. So I'm just mozzarella cheese, huh? So just shape it, done everything. That I put even the chili flakes enough. Now I'm going to slot it into the 80 degrees Celsius, 20 minutes. Done already. I'm going to remove it. Okay. (15 to 20 minutes) depends on your oven. Okay, it's done. So the homemade pizza is ready. Please try out this recipe and put your comments in, and do subscribe for my channel, and like to hear from y'all any suggestions or any comments.